Good morning, YouTube family. Excuse me. Today is Friday, July 12th, and I am on my way to work. And I know I said I wasn't going to focus on the fact that it's been a long time since I've vlogged, but I do again apologize. I know that this week has totally gotten away from me. It was insane. I have been super busy the last 2 weeks, and it really, I didn't even realize that I didn't do my plan with me for last week until yesterday. And that was because I went to go write in my planner and I noticed that I hadn't even done it for the week. I was shocked because I would have told you that I did, because I didn't realize that the week had gone by so quickly and I didn't even notice. Oh my goodness. So one of the great things that has kept me from knowing which way was up is the arrival of our new pups. So we have Waylon and Winnie, and I will try to remember to put some video or pictures at the end, or maybe both. Waylon and Winnie are with us, and oh my gosh, they are such a joy. I absolutely adore them. I was off for 3 days last week and 3 days this week, and it was phenomenal being able to get with them and to bond with them and just have fun with them and play, and it was just so much fun. It's so cute to watch little puppies, and I'm so glad that we got 2 of them, even though I know it's a lot of work. And I think that they really have bonded with each other, and being twins, they are just together, and it's adorable. So I'm really glad that we got 2. I think that they help play with each other, and I think that it will help with training. I think that they'll learn a little bit faster or together, I don't know, and I think it'll work out well. We do have them signed up for training. It begins the first weekend in August, and I am excited for that because I know that they are going to just be such good pups. I need to grab some gas in my car and throw away some of my trash. So I am going to do that. And I will be right back. I just needed to be able to talk to you guys this morning. Okay, so I am back. And I could go on and on and on about Waylon and Winnie and how much I love them and how great they are, because it truly is a blessing. So I know that some of you guys were concerned about having to. Honestly, I was a little concerned myself, but it is working out great, and I just love having the 2 of them together. So that is fabulous. Just being off also made me kind of off in the way that, you know, when you take time off, you're just doing other things. I didn't get a ton of crafting done. I really wanted to, but I had some worries in my life with my son, and he and his girlfriend are split right now. I don't know if they'll get back together or what, but yeah, and that's been kind of hard for him, and there have been some things that we've been dealing with, so that's been really hard and stressful for all of us, especially him, I'm sure, but all of us for sure. And his dad and I have been working together to help him, which is fabulous. And right now Alex is staying with his dad, which is great. It's just temporary, I'm sure, could just be a few days, I don't really know, but right now that's where he needs to be, and we're taking it day by day, so that's good. And Katie is doing well. She is loving being a camping counselor, and her boyfriend came to town this last weekend also, so that was even more, but it was fun. He's a good kid, and we all like him a lot, and he loved the puppies too. Oh my goodness. And Katie loves the puppies. She'll take pictures with them all the time, but she doesn't really do much else with them. It's kind of cute, kind of funny. You know, all the fun but none of the responsibility, which seems to be what most people want, including my husband, but he doesn't get that way, or he doesn't get it that easy for sure. I make sure he understands that he's the one who even wanted the dogs. It's a lot of responsibility. I'm yawning. We did take them and got them microchipped too, so they are ours, and I'm super happy about that. Let's see what else is going on. I know I haven't done a Foodie Friday in a long time, and I know that I owe you guys one, and I know that you guys really like those, and I am sorry. I just haven't even cooked, and the things that I've cooked have been, and when I have cooked, it's been stuff that you guys have already seen, or something that's super easy and it doesn't, you don't need a recipe for it. I do have a couple things in mind coming up, so fingers crossed I'll get them done and we'll be able to share those with you guys on Foodie Fridays. So I do apologize for that too. I know it's just been kind of discombobulated with everything. It's summertime, I guess. I don't know. It's just life is what it is. I'm just gonna go with that because I don't have any excuse. It's really just life. And some days the best I can do is just hanging on, and other days, I can do 16 videos and be super productive. So, I'm sure that all of us are like that. I don't feel special in any way. Sorry, I'm yawning. I did get up early. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks and get myself a coffee. It's my first one this week. Even after being off, sometimes I'll treat myself when I have days off to go get a coffee or something fun like that, but I had not been doing that, and so this time today I'm going to get some on the way to work. And clearly I need some today, because goodness, I can't keep from yawning. I'm also telling myself I need to get my nails done today because it has been far too long and they are gross, so I am hoping that I listen to myself and get that done too. Yesterday I did do my plan with me for next week, so I will have that posted on Sunday, fingers crossed, as long as I get it downloaded and uploaded and all of that. But I should be fine with that. Yeah, crazy stuff. I'm super sorry about the yawns too. Gosh, I just feel like I'm apologizing all the time, and I know I don't need to apologize for stuff, but oh well, it's who I am. So I feel bad when I don't do something that I know that you guys like or have come to kind of expect. Maybe that's not the right word, but you know what I'm saying. Goodness gracious. I do hope everyone has a fabulous Friday. So for 4th of July last week, we didn't really do much. We went to Dennis's aunt and uncle's and had a cookout, and that's about it, and that's okay. We were going to go see a movie, and then things just ended up where we couldn't go, and the timing was bad, and I don't know. Spider-Man is out, and I know that Dennis wants to see that, so that's kind of what we were looking at. So maybe we'll go this weekend. Who knows? Who knows? But here is Starbucks, so I'm going to let you guys go so I can get this posted, hopefully still today. And just know that I'm thinking of you, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. And thanks so much. I'm almost at 15,000 subs. That's so cool. Thank you guys. Yay! Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
There's never been a better time to donate to Goodwill.
They're crazy, these pups.
Hi, Waylon.